Hello everyone, my name is Carlo J. Osales and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges to College of Computer Studies. I had the privilege of serving as an OJT intern at Pixel 8 Web Solution and Consultancy Incorporated, and I am excited to share my experience with you. Pixel 8 Web Solution and Consultants Incorporated is a forward-thinking company specializing in web development, UI/UX design, and digital solutions. They are dedicated to delivering high-quality, user-centric digital experience to their clients. The company has a dynamic and collaborative work environment, making it an excellent place for interns to learn and grow. Throughout my internship, I was involved in various projects that allow me to apply and enhance my skills. So, in the first 2 weeks, I familiarized myself with Pixel 8 design system and tools, particularly Figma, and started contributing to ongoing projects by designing user interface. During weeks 3 and 4, I worked on redesigning forms for the service management and online application in the Oblast. This project required a deep understanding of user requirements and iterative design processes. In weeks 5 and 6, I participated in team meetings and collaborative design sessions where I contribute ideas and receive feedback on my work, significantly improving my design concepts. Finally, during weeks 7 and 8, I assisted in creating a comprehensive design system based on the Pixel 8 grid, ensuring consistency and optimization across various projects. My time at Pixel 8 was incredibly educational. I gained a thorough understanding of creating intuitive and visually appealing interfaces, with Figma becoming my primary tool for crafting these designs. I also learned to anticipate user behavior and design interfaces that are both functional and enjoyable to use. My teamwork skills improved as I learned how to effectively communicate and collaborate with my colleagues. Balancing multiple projects and deadlines taught me the importance of time management and organization. Regular feedback sessions helped me refine my designs and align them with project goals and user needs. In conclusion, my internship at Pixel 8 Web Solution and Consultancy Incorporated was a transformative experience. It provided me with valuable skills in UI/UX design, enhanced my understanding of user-centered design principles, and taught me the importance of teamwork and communication. I am grateful for the mentorship and support I received from the Pixel 8 team, which played a crucial role in my professional growth. This experience has prepared me well for future challenges in the tech industry, and I highly recommend Pixel 8 as an excellent training ground for aspiring designers and developers. Thank you for listening to my OGN journey. I hope my experience and insights will be helpful to future interns.